In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Outlook. By the end, you'll have your Outlook events showing up inside Google Calendar using a simple read-only link. This method is reliable, quick to set up, and perfect if you just want to view your Outlook schedule alongside your Google Calendars. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook in your web browser and switch to the calendar view. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing. Next, open the settings menu, the gear icon in the upper corner. From there, choose Calendar, then select Shared Calendars. This is where Outlook lets you publish a calendar and generate a link you can bring into Google Calendar. Under Publish a Calendar, use the drop-down to pick the specific calendar you want to share. If you have multiple calendars, choose the one you want to see in Google Calendar. Then select a permission level. For most people, can view all details is the right choice, because it lets Google Calendar display your event titles, times, locations, and descriptions. If you prefer more privacy, you can choose to share only free, busy information. Click Publish. Outlook will generate two links, an HTML link and an ICS link. For Google Calendar, you need the ICS link. This is the standardized calendar feed that apps can subscribe to. Click the ICS link option, select Copy Link, and confirm by clicking Copy. Keep this link somewhere safe. It's not a password, but anyone with it can view the calendar details you chose to publish. Now head over to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left sidebar, find Other Calendars and click the plus sign next to it. Choose from URL. In the field provided, paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook, then click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will subscribe to that feed and create a new calendar under Other Calendars. Your Outlook events will begin to appear. The first sync can take a minute or two, and updates may take some time to refresh since it's a read-only subscription. You can rename the calendar in Google Calendar settings to keep things organized and choose a distinct color so your Outlook events are easy to spot. Remember, this connection is one way. Editing in Google Calendar won't change your Outlook events. Make any event changes in Outlook and they'll flow into Google Calendar on the next sync. That's it. You've successfully connected your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar, keeping everything visible in one place without any complicated tools.